last 2 points, ikaw yung nag-deliver para sa team. Kumbaga,
Wow, deliver.
can you take us through ano yung tumatakbo sa isip mo nung time na yun?
Si Coach Sherwin kasi sobrang remind siya sa amin ng focus lang kami na sa trabaho namin. And after every point, sinasabi niya na move on na kami agad sa susunod na point. So, alam niyo naman kami kung anong sabihin ni Coach Sherwin, yun yung gagawin namin. So, yun yung for me, malaking bagay na nakapag-compose sa amin. Kasi si Coach Sherwin mismo, minsan hindi na nga technical yung sinasabi niya, more on words of encouragement talaga. And sinasabi niya lagi sa amin na magtiwala kami sa isa't isa.
Once yun nga, galing beach volleyball, and nakabawi kayo dun sa finals last year, ano lang pakiramdam?
Siyempre, sobrang saya. Iba yung saya ng conference ngayon. Kasi, sabi nga namin, hindi talaga madali. Ang daming struggles, ang daming challenges sa team. Pero, na-survive namin yan lahat. And sobrang worth it, lahat ng effort and sacrifices namin. Simula noong January 2 pa lang, nag-training na kami. So yun, sobrang saya. Kasi wala na kami train bukas.
Best part.
Yes.
Thoughts mo nga yung naging journey mo din through injuries and trying to find your way back yung laro mo throughout yung campaign ng Creamline. Parang how would you describe this championship journey lang na were there doubts that crept in, were there hesitations, and ultimately how did you get through it until you reach this point?
I think yung sa injury side naman, I think it's na yun yung I think okay sa akin na nagawa ko this season kasi I accepted that I had to double time and take care of myself. So yun nga, malaking bagay yung season na to kasi sobrang hirap talaga. Kahit kami, sinasabi namin na kahit sa game kanina na mahirap talaga, kailangan namin tiyagain. So, yun lang. Di naman ako kami naman, sobrang mahal namin yung isa't isa na alam namin na kahit anong mangyari sa amin, andyan yung isa't isa para sa bawat isa. So, never naman ako nag-doubt sa team, never kami nag-doubt sa isa't isa. Laging sinasabi namin na ilalaban namin kung saan kami abutin, effort namin.
And Pons, parang how blessed and honored ka lang din to be in a position na you just made history for the Philippines as a SEA Games few months ago. Now you're making history again with Creamline. Parang from your humble beginnings all the way now, would you have imagined na abot yung career mo sa ganitong napakataas ng napunta?
Sobrang grateful ko lang din siguro talaga sa teammates ko na meron ako sa Creamline. Kasi kung hindi naman dahil sa kanila, hindi ko rin talaga malalabas kung ano talaga yung laro ko. Kasi iba kasi din yung environment ng team. Kumbaga, lahat kasi talaga ipupush ka pa angat. So, challenge din talaga everyday sa training. And sobrang grateful ako sa bawat isa na pinupush din talaga namin yung bawat isa na mag-excel. And yun, sobrang grateful kasi nga minanifest ko to bago mag-start yung conference na makuha namin yung gold. And finally, nakuha namin kahit ang daming challenges and struggle na napagdaanan ng team. Kaya, yan.
Thoughts and cons approaching this game since 1 week away na ng title na paano nyo siya in-approach? Kalmado ba or may tigil? Paano kayo heading to this game?
I think more on kalmado na. Composed and focused kasi nakailang panalo na rin yung signal sa amin. So we know that it's not gonna be easy. So yun nga, yung game kanina, 5 sets. It was really hard and it was really lahat ng effort namin. Makuha man namin yung bola o hindi. Basta alam namin na nag-effort kami. We cheer each other and yun nga, sinasabi namin na okay lang kasi tinodo talaga namin. And yun nga, sabi ko nga, sila coach din, grabe yung pagpapakalma sa amin na after every point man yan o point ng kalaban, move on kami agad. So, yung composure and yung focus namin, sobrang in the present lang kami. Kung ano lang importante dun sa moment na yun, yun lang yung focus namin.
Ayun, going into this game talaga, yun, extra focus din talaga kami. Kasi sabi nga namin, lahat kami talaga kahapon pa lang Sabi namin, ayaw na namin mag-training bukas. So talagang isa yun sa baon din talaga namin this game. Siguro kita naman doon yung start pa lang ng game, sobrang dikdikan, pero nandun yung composure ng team, yung focus ng team. Siguro at some moment, at some point of the game, medyo nagpabaya kami. Pero
Tsaka grabe din sila.
signal din talaga yan eh. Signal yan. Alam namin, paulit-ulit kami kanina, hindi ito magiging madali. So talagang kailangan naming trabahuin. So yun, sobrang ganda lang din kasi yung bawat isa talagang nare-remind namin yung isa't isa na kailangan naming tiyagain kasi sobrang tiyaga nila din talaga kanina. So kailangan din namin habaan pa yung patience namin. And yun, nakikinig lang din kami sa kanila coach and tinatry talaga namin na i-compose yung mga sarili namin para makapag-isip kami ng maayos sa lahat ng mga gagawin namin sa the court.
Sorry pa na late ako.
Okay. Ayun, Gia, sa pagbabalik mo ng conference, nakuha niyo yung championship kahit gaano kahirap yung pinagdaanan niyo. Ano lang yung nararamdaman?
Sobrang saya, sobrang relieved kasi hindi namin ito magagawa kung hindi kami nagtulungan talaga from start to finish. As in, bawat laro na pinagdaanan namin, iba yung challenge, iba yung kailangan from each person para mairaos namin. We had a couple of do or die games din na sobrang proud ako sa kung paano namin hinandle sa team. And ngayon, getting the championship, na hindi rin madali kasi nag-5 sets din kami. Nagbunga rin lahat ng hirap at lahat ng sacrifices at mga pinaghirapan namin. So happy ako.
Jay, you were pretty emotional kanina after yung manalo. Yung biggest to lang kami mga toxic.
Pagod na ako. Nung 4th and 5th set kasi we really had to dig deep. Kasi pinupush talaga kami ng signal with long rallies and lahat ng paluin namin dinidepensahan nila. So we have to give it to them for preparing well and giving us a good fight. After the last point kasi, actually nung 5th set we weren't really looking at the score. We were really taking it point by point. At one point hindi nga namin alam na nag-all na yung score. So nung 13, 14, and 15, doon lang talaga kami as in sobrang everyone was locked in, everyone was reaching this flow state na masarap din maranasan on my end. And when we scored that last point, parang lahat lang ng emotions namin at tinatry namin i-hold in, lumabas at yun, hindi na namin hinold back talaga.
Gia, the last time you played finals nga for Dreamline in 2023, talo yun. And ngayon, nabawi niyo na with Dreamline. Bago pa ba sa'yo itong championship feeling mo? Or meron pa rin, kumbaga, yung memories, parang naging familiar ba ulit itong feeling of winning titles with you?
For me, kung tatanungin ako kung ano yung most special championship, it will always be the most recent one. Kasi bawat championship na pinagdadaanan namin, ibang sacrifices, ibang story. Like, if you ask the team, pare-pareho kami nang sasabihin, iba yung journey going to this championship and even the past 10 other championships, iba rin yung journey namin to reach that. So, hawakan namin lahat ng natutunan namin this conference and lahat ng natutunan namin sa sarili namin, sa isa't isa. And that's what makes this one special this time around.
Gia, as a player and having a crowd like that dominantly supporting you, can you just take us through kung paano siya tinitake? Yeah.
We had a lot of games, not just today's finals, na yung cheer ng crowd ang nakakadala sa amin. Lalo na pagka mahabang rally or dikit yung laban hanggang dulo. Totoo talaga, may factor talaga ang crowd sa pag-push sa amin when it comes to crucial, may hirap na sitwasyon. Sobrang thankful namin that the crowd is there for us. And kasama rin naman sila sa achievement.
Yeah. You mentioned after the semifinals na you had doubts whether you'd be right in coming back here sa Dreamline. What does this championship prove for you in the team?
Na walang imposible kung magtutulungan lang talaga kami lahat. This championship, hindi lang ito depende sa isang tao. Nakadepende sa kung like how well we can put different girls together under one system going towards one goal. Ako thankful ako na the times na hindi ko magampanan fully yung role ko. Andyan si Kyle para saluhin ako. Andyan yung teammates ko para saluhin ako. And that's the beauty of a team sport. You don't always have to be perfect, but there will always be someone ready to step up for you. And thankful ako for that.
Okay.
Thank you! Thank you everyone! Thank you po! See you next tournament!